Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide taskbar in Windows 11 and in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to come over into your taskbar, click on your right mouse button and go for taskbar settings. Click on that and then you will come over into the section of taskbar, and then here you will get an option called taskbar behaviors. Click on that. And then here you will get an option called taskbar alignment or automatically hide the taskbar. If you check it, you can see your taskbar is now hid. And if you now move your cursor down into the taskbar, you can see now it's showing. Whenever you pull up this mouse cursor upper, then your taskbar will be hid. And whenever you move it to the bottom, you can see your taskbar is showing. So this is how you can hide your taskbar in Windows 11. You can do it as well in Windows 10. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.